Planning a move from Aurora to Quincy? Whether you're relocating for work, family, school, or a fresh start, it helps to understand what can affect your moving cost before you book a mover. The distance between Aurora and Quincy is one of the first things movers consider. Mileage, fuel, travel time, and the route all help shape the final estimate. A smaller apartment usually takes less time and truck space than a larger home. More bedrooms, furniture, boxes, appliances, and storage items can mean more labor and a higher moving cost. Before asking for a quote, make a simple list of what you're bringing. Large furniture, garage items, outdoor equipment, and extra boxes can all affect how much space and time your move requires. If you're busy or moving on a tight schedule, professional packing can make the process easier. Movers can help with boxes, wrapping, padding, and fragile items, but packing services may add to the estimate. Movers also look at how easy it is to load and unload. Stairs, elevators, narrow hallways, apartment rules, parking limits, or a long walk from the truck can make the job take longer. If you're moving a piano, safe, antique piece, large sectional, gym equipment, or fragile electronics, mention it early. These items may require special handling, extra tools, or additional movers. Weekends, holidays, and end-of-month dates often book faster. Planning ahead gives you more time to compare moving companies and choose a schedule that works best for your move. Before booking, ask what's included in the quote. Check for labor, transportation, fuel, packing materials, basic coverage, and any possible extra fees, so you know what you're paying for. The cheapest quote is not always the best value. Look for clear communication, reliable scheduling, service options, and experience with moves like Aurora to Quincy. When you understand what affects your moving cost, it becomes easier to budget, compare quotes, and avoid surprises on moving day. For more details about Aurora to Quincy moving costs and helpful relocation guidance, visit 3movers.com and read the full guide.